Hello and welcome to New York. It's been a week since the start of the World Cup, but the cricketing world eagerly waits for the big game between India and Pakistan on Sunday. It's the blockbuster match, poised to be watched by over 2 billion fans around the world, but currently, all the experts and the media around the world are busy discussing and analysing all the aspects of this upcoming clash in cricket's greatest rivalry.
It's a world famous match. 2 बिलियन 3-4 बिलियन तो 2 बिलियन पीपल जो जुड़ते हैं इसके साथ, क्योंकि जो आई मीन इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया न्यूजीलैंड द पीपल आल्सो लाइक द इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच. यू नो एवरी कंट्री लाइक द इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच. दैट्स नॉट फॉर इंडियन पीपल, दैट्स फॉर एवरीबॉडी.
It's almost there for over years now. It's natural, it comes out natural for that game.
The game in New York is also the first time that the Asian giants clash in a T20 game since the epic thriller they played at the last World Cup in Australia. It was a match where Virat Kohli single-handedly carried India to victory despite Pakistan dominating most of the contest. No wonder most fans say King Kohli may well be the key factor for Indian win.
हारिस राव के लास्ट ओवर के 2 बॉल पे 2 छक्के उसने लगाए, फिर लास्ट में फिर 17 रन या 16 रन था, तो वो वाला मैच सबसे बेटर था, बेस्ट था. आज भी हम लोग बार बार रिपीट कर करके यूट्यूब पे और फेसबुक पे देखा करते हैं उसे.
तो आपको लगता है विराट कोहली इंडिया को जिता सकता है वर्ल्ड कप?
या डेफिनेटली एज पर द करेंट जो उसका चल रहा है.
पर मुझे लगता है इट शुड बी अ टीम एफर्ट.
It
cannot depend on one person.
My favorite player is Virat.
Virat Kohli. And you have any memorable moments of Virat against Pakistan?
Oh, that's 6 against Harris Rao.
World Cup. I think Virat Kohli will be the run getter and Rohit Sharma will be the highest strike rate.
Despite many threats and security concerns over the match, fans are willing to shell out any amount of money to get a ticket to watch Virat and their other favorite players.
It's getting more closer. Many people started buying it, so the tickets are going for as much as $10,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're willing to spend 10 times of the actual amount?
Yeah, I'm willing to spend 10 times of the actual amount because this is the greatest rivalry. We have whole of India watching this. This is actually India versus Pakistan has more hype than the finals of certain tournaments itself. So
we all paid a lot of money for these tickets, and I think it just goes to show the popularity for the game amongst at least Indians living in America. So I hope they do this a lot more. I hope tickets get a lot cheaper. I'm actually bringing my son. This will be the first cricket game he will see, India-Pakistan. I think this is a good way for him to start becoming a fan.
But instead of tensions that often mar their games in South Asia, fans want the India-Pakistan clash in New York to produce high-quality cricket and promote friendship.
मेरा बिलीव इसी में है. आई विश बोथ ऑफ टीम बेस्ट ऑफ लक. मैं हालांकि मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ, पर मैं फिर भी कहता हूँ यार, आई विश बोथ ऑफ बेस्ट. और दुआ है दोनों में कोई. बट देखो, जैसे हमारे पाकिस्तान में एक सॉन्ग है ना, तुम जीतो या हारो, हमें तुमसे फिर भी प्यार है. ठीक है, और वैसे भी मैं इंडिया के लिए भी कहता हूँ यार, अपने ज़हन में ये चीज़ रखो, इंडिया भी अगर हारे जीते, आप फिर भी बोलो भाई इंडिया से हमें प्यार है.
नहीं, यहाँ पे तो हम लोग इंडियन पाकिस्तानी सब आपस में बहुत अच्छे से मिलकर रहते हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ये 2 मुल्क है, लेकिन आपस में हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से मिलकर रहते हैं.
Like always saying, they should stay calm. They should not fight and breaking TVs and all that. That's like craziness. It's like game. One lose, one win.
The two sides have made contrasting starts to the tournament. While India has thrashed Ireland easily, Pakistan lost to World Cup debutants USA. But history counts for little in high-voltage India-Pakistan matches, and the team that holds its nerve on the big day may ultimately emerge victorious.
After Pakistan's shocking loss to USA, the battle between the Asian giants has created an even bigger buzz, and an air of anticipation prevails here. Cricket lovers are hoping that in their first encounter in USA, India and Pakistan will most certainly produce a memorable thriller. This is Siddharth Mahan in New York for The Quint.